All right, everyone, the Fed is set to cut 75 base points, but what about the ECB? Well, tomorrow, Thursday, we're going to be having the ECB, the European Central Bank interest rates decisions. Do you know what are the expectations or, what they're planning to do? If you're not too sure yet, so this video is for you, okay? Now, looking at the consensus, we are expecting, the whole market is expecting to have no changes, okay? So from the previous to now, the expectations are no changes. So the consensus at 2.15%, and the previous is 2.15%. The deposit facility rate is exactly the same as well, as at 2% from previous to consensus. So in general, no one is expecting any changes, okay? So it's completely to be same as before, so no changes at all. Now, what will this influence the euro? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to tell you in a minute. But before we go any further, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and join the Telegram, okay? The Telegram link is on the description. So if you're not yet into the Telegram, make sure that you go to the description and click into join Telegram, and then you're going to be redirected to Telegram if you have. Otherwise, you can just download and create your account. It's free. And you're going to get updates every single day over the Telegram as well. Now, that being said, the ECB is around the corner, and my expectation is that they will basically fulfill the euro even further up, okay? We have euro dollar trading at the moment at 1.1714. So we did have quite a pullback yesterday. For those who were on the webinar, I've mentioned about the position. If you've missed that up move from the consolidation from 1.16 all the way up to 1.17700, now they've pulled back to 1.17144. My expectations is that we will reach the target at 1.18700 by end of this month and 1.20 by end of this year. So most likely we will see some sort of a strength coming over from the European Central Bank rate decision. Not because they're going to maintain the rates, but because they're planning to maintain the rates on this instance for the rest of the year and only change the rates into 2026 in beginning of next first quarter of 2026. So that basically shows us that the Fed is going to cut, but the ECB is going to hold. So therefore, the monies will fly out from USD. So that means US dollar will be pretty weak, and DXY will probably reach 97 by end of this month. Now, just retraced it a little bit off 97, trading at 97,700, but very close. Broke the 98. Now, most likely the next target will be 97. So I'm expecting the euro dollar to go to 1.18700. In a matter of this month or in the next 2 weeks max. So I do look to long the euro dollar at the moment with my targets above 1.20 by end of the year and 1.18700 by in the next 2 weeks, and my stop losses are down at 1.16. It's not the best trade, because we've missed the best entry, but it's still a 2-1, so you can probably capture around 280 pips take profit and around 120 pips stop loss. So still pretty great. Okay, it's a 2-1, 2.5-1, around that risk reward, still pretty great. Now, if you have any questions, pop down into the comments. I will be reading those questions, and from there, once I have some time, I will sit down and answer everyone. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.